Hi, I'm Go from JTC Industrial Solutions. In part 1 of the video, John demonstrated the setting up of the ink ribbon and tube into the Biovin S700E machine. In part 2 of this video, I will now demonstrate the functionality of each orange colored key and how to print on a PVC tube. Let me start off with the material key. Press the material key and you will see three options displayed on the LCD screen, that is tube, tape and string. Since we will be printing on a PVC tube, select on tube and you will be presented with three options again, which is 2, 4 and 6. For example, if you are printing on a 5.2 mm tube, select 6, or you can refer to the video descriptions below for the recommended tube sizes. I will be using a 3.6 mm tube size for my demonstration. So we will select 4 and press enter. Once you have pressed enter, you will see the tube size change to 4 on the LCD screen as shown. Next, we will select the pitch key. The pitch key refers to the length of tube you want to slot into the wire. The pitch length also affects the number of characters you can key in. The minimum length of the pitch is 5 mm and the maximum is 80 mm. So it depends on the length of your wordings on the PVC tube. I will be printing the wordings JTC-Biovin on my tube like this as an example. So my pitch size will be set to 40 mm. After you have selected the pitch size, remember to press enter. As you can see from my sample, the tube is preset to half-cut functionality. This is a convenient feature if you are printing many labels with the same wordings, whereby you can easily separate them and slot them into the wire. Let's move on to the size key, which is related to the font size. There are 6 font sizes in the Biovin machine. We are going to use font size 4 in our example. So once you select size 4, remember to press enter again to save this setting. Next is the style key. When you press the style key, you will see 3 options on the LCD screen, which is normal, frame and underline. Normal refers to just the wordings. If you choose the frame option, the wordings will be framed like this. And if you choose the underline option, the wording will be underlined like this. So choose the option that you want and press enter. Now let's look at the array key. This refers to the alignment of the wordings. If you press the array key, you will see 3 options on the LCD screen. They are centering, align left, and adjustment. The default setting is centering. If you want the wordings to align to the left, select the align left option. If you select adjustment, you can manually position the wordings according to your preference. In this example, we will choose the centering option and press enter. The next key, VER, HOR or Warhol, is straightforward as it refers to printing the wordings either horizontally or vertically. When you select this key, you will see horizontal and vertical appear on the LCD screen. We will choose horizontal as our example and press enter. Next is the RPT or repeat key, which refers to the number of labels you want to print. Select this key and you will see value on the LCD screen. Key in the value you want. The minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 200. If you are printing 1, just key in 1 as your value and press enter. Let me move on to the symbol key. Press this key and you will see a list of symbols displayed on the LCD screen. You can use the up and down key to select the symbol that you need. For example, I will be selecting the electrical code option. And you can see on the LCD screen a variety of electrical symbols for you to choose. Use the left and right key to choose as shown here. Once you have decided on the symbol you want, press enter and it will appear on the screen like this. Next is the sequence key, which allows you to print out the sequence number or alphabet you want to start till the number or alphabet you want to end automatically. Let me show the example here. Okay, now we choose the DEC or DEC number and start from 4, press enter and end at 7, then press enter. This is how it will look like on the LCD screen and PVC tube. Moving on to the P-cut key, which allows you to choose whether you want the half cut function, no cut function, or just a dotted line printed on the label. So when you select P-cut, you will see the three options on the LCD screen: half cut, dotted line, and no cutting. Use the up and down key to select your preference and press enter. In this example, we will select the half cut option. This is how it will look like on the PVC tube. This is half cut, dotted line, and no cutting. The last orange colored key is the file key. This is an optional key and you do not need to select this key unless it is necessary. As all Biovin machines come with a built-in 1 GB memory, so you can press file to save the wordings you have entered or opened or delete a previous file. In this example, I am not saving, opening, or deleting any file, so I will just press escape. After you have completed the settings and entered the required wordings, you are now ready to press print as shown here. So this concludes our video demo on how to use the Biovin electronic label machine. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to contact us. Our information is at the description link below. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.